Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang love reading para sa lahat ng Libra. So this is a collective reading. It may or may not resonate with everyone. So just a gentle reminder that I'm tapping to the collective sa lahat ng Libra. Kaya kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag pilitin. And kung mag-resonate siya, use this reading with discernment. Okay? Kaya importante na nakasubscribe din kayo para updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Again, if this reading resonates, ayan, comment na kayo sa baba. Kung hindi, or take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Pag hindi talaga, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na kasi baka isa din ay mag-resonate sa inyo dahil ang mga tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 6 na cards, 2 for the recent past, 2 for the present, and 2 for the near future. And interpret natin siya with the other deck. Clarify natin further yung cards na lalabas with the other deck. Sige. So, I'll get the 4th card. Dahil April pa rin ngayon. Okay. The World. Okay. And 7 of Wands. Present moment, 10 of Coins. Nice. And Page of Wands. And in the near future, Judgment. And the Magician. Oh. Okay. Bottom of the deck, Queen of Cups. Nice. Okay, so this is the energy you don't see coming. Or, yeah, first, you might be dealing with Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, okay, and Aries, yon. Sorry, not Aries, Gemini and Virgo. Sorry. So, again, you might be dealing with a Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, Gemini, and Virgo. Okay, so baka Aries din kasi biglang nasabi ko siya. Okay, but doesn't have to. Yun yung lang yung energies na strong energies na nasasagap sa reading to. So, pwedeng ibang signs pa rin. However, check their Moon, Venus, and Rising placements. Baka yun yung mga signs din nila sa mga placement na yun. Okay, so in the recent past, there's a lot of celebration, sobrang happy kayo together. I mean, sense of completion, parang I complete you, you complete me, or in a sense, kompleto na talaga kayo, pero this person came and became a bonus in your complete life already. Pero because of that, syempre diba, lahat naman tayo kahit, alam mo yun, yung pag may bonus na dumating sa life natin, very celebratory, diba? Very happy. Like, for example, bonus sa work. Diba? Alam mong happy ka na with the current salary that you're getting, ganyan. Tapos bigla may bonus pa din na dumating. So, parang mas happy, diba? Mas masaya. So, may ganung energy din when it comes to you and your partner and the connection. And with the 7 of Wands, there's a lot of challenges na nalampasan nyo na rin together as a couple. And you're very, strong then when it comes to the boundaries na mga sinet ninyo sa isa't isa at sa relationship, yung mga non-negotiables nyo. And despite that na nakalatag lahat ng mga boundaries ninyo, very happy kayo, fulfilled kayo sa relationship. Okay? Sige. Clarify natin further. And habang binabalasa ko, gusto kong magpasalamat po sa lahat ng Libra na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sana patuloy nyo supportahan by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate yung reading. At sa mga bago po, please do subscribe. It's a two-way thing. You will help my channel grow, at the same time updated kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos, di ba? Okay, sige, tingnan natin bakit lumabas si World card and Seven of Wands in the recent past. Oh, the Devil. Okay. And the Hanged Woman. Okay, so in the recent past, what I see here and yung download agad na nakita ko is, this is not your person or ikaw. It's something in the recent past that medyo umepal sa relationship. Doesn't have to be romantic, pwedeng platonic, or basta there's a third party energy, pwedeng kaibigan, kamag-anak, kapamilya, katrabaho, kaklase, na naka-apekto sa relationship ninyo, pero nalampasan niyo siya. And kaya very celebratory pa rin kasi nga nalampasan niyo yung challenge na yun. And I think that's the challenge here na sinasabi din with the Seven of Wands. And along with that, with the Hanged Woman, you just really surrendered dun sa gusto ni universe na mangyari. Parang you trusted the process that, okay, itong hindrance or itong third party energy excuse me, eventually mawawala naman din siya sa inyo. Okay? And it happened naman because at the present moment nga, you ended up happy and fulfilled sa isa't isa. So this negativity with the devil energy is also in the past na. Okay? So nalampasan niyo na siya, na-resolve niyo na siya. Kaya at the present moment, there's this energy of Ten of Coins. Ten of Coins is really good when it comes to relationship because Ten of Coins, siya yung energy of stability. Saka, alam mo yung energy na, okay, mag-settle down na tayo. So, ituloy na natin to, gawin na natin siyang long term, we stay together, we marry each other, we live together, yung mga ganong energy ba. And nakikita ko that at the present moment, nandun na kayo sa energy na yun, na alam nyo na that this will be the relationship that you wanted in the long run. And some more with the Page of Wands, there's so much, alam mo yun, yung, it's a new phase. There will be a fresh start, leaning towards this settling down, idea of settling down, diba? So, nandun na kayo sa yung very, very youthful vibe. Di ba parang pag bago, parang bumalik kayo sa honeymoon stage pa nga because in the recent past nga, there was something that happened na very celebratory. Okay, so I think meron kaganapan na sobrang naging happy kayo. Pwede nga na just recently kinasal kayo eh. yun yung nakukuhang energy na kinasal kayo, then at the present moment it's really the relationship na long term, talaga nag-settle down na kayo together, and it's a new phase, a new beginning, and a new chapter sa relationship ninyo. Pero tingnan natin, ano pa yung detalye lang ng energy na to. Okay, King of Wands. and Six of Pentacles. So see, with the Six of Wands, King of Wands and Six of Pentacles, okay, the relationship dynamics between you and your person are very stable na talaga. There's this sense of responsibility, meaning may very, alam mo yun, yung roles ninyo, ginagampan nyo ng tama and very accountable kayo sa mga kaganapan sa relationship ninyo. And with the Six of Pentacles, there's a lot of reciprocation, gratitude, alam mo yun, yung both sides, you give without asking. Pero dahil nga very generous kayo sa isa't isa, it's well reciprocated. Kahit hindi mo na-expect na ibabalik sa'yo yung mga actions na ginawa mo, bumabalik siya. And you have this tendency as well, kapag nakaka-receive ka, your default thing to do is to give it back. Okay? So, very, very nice naman tong energy. And in the near future, there's even more na yung mga gusto nyo pang mangyari sa relationship ninyo. It will manifest yung mga desires ninyo as a couple. It will have parang kung ano yung mga tinanim nyo ngayon and in the recent past, it will grow and parang you will reap what you sow sa near future. And there's a lot of right decisions that will lead to more success, more growth, more happiness when it comes to the relationship. Pero, siyempre, kaklarify pa rin natin yun. Okay, Seven of Cups. And see, the Temperance. So, yeah, with the Seven of Cups, ito yung, alam mo yun, yung mga pinapangarap nyo together really as a couple will find its place. What I mean is, yung mga pinaplano ninyo, mga pinapangarap ninyo, mga fina-fantasize ninyo dati lang parang, it's just a dream. In the near future, it will really materialize, especially with the Magician card, tapos with the Temperance card, which is having peace, meaning peace of mind. Di ba, pag may mga goals kayo na na-achieve nyo na, it gives you peace, kasi nga nagawa nyo na, at narating nyo na yung goal na yon or na-achieve nyo na yung goal na yon. It gives you this sense of happiness at the same time, sense of peace na wala na kayong iisipin kasi nga natupad na yung mga pinaghirapan nyo at mga pinlanin nyo in life. Bottom of the deck, see, Ace of Wands pa with the Queen of Cups. So Ace of Wands is a card of love, new beginning. There's so much, again, this is a new phase, and the Queen of Cups is a nurturing energy when it comes to love, nurturing kind of, and there's so much passion, so much care, so much love, so much nurturing energy talaga with the Queen of Cups. And that's the energy you don't see coming, meaning parang hindi nyo na-realize na nangyayari yon, pero actually behind the scenes and along the way nagaganap siya sa relationship ninyo. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa akin channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat!